Hi girls and boys, I'm sure you might be wondering about this picture. What is it showing and what is the significance of this point? Yes, it's called Hegu. This point is Li4 point on our hand and it's of great importance. Today I'll tell you why you should be using it often and how you can cure so many problems in your body by just working on this point. To work on this point, you just need to have one clip as shown in the picture, the clip with which you tie your clothes on a string. So just take that clip and put it on this point for some time. Let it stay till the time you are able to bear it, and once it's difficult, remove it and then put it again. Like that, you can do it as many times you can do in a day. This is Li4, that is large intestine 4 point on your body. So this is excellent for supporting the body with pain anywhere in the body, especially the face, head and neck. You may have sinus, toothache, earache, jaw tension, and it is very good for detoxification. If you have constipation, this will loosen it out. A person suffering from Bell's palsy can be helped by using this point. It's the main point in the acupuncture treatment of Bell's palsy. Acupuncture at Hegu can improve the amplitude of instant evoked potentials in the damaged facial nerve. The Hegu point intersects with sensory efferent pathways of the face and mouth in the central nervous system. So people who are suffering from Bell's palsy, they can treat this point on their own also by putting the clip for a longer period of time and can help themselves. This point is very good for improving the immune system of your body, for the digestive functions of the body, pains in any area of the body, as I've already told you. But one should take precaution. When a lady is pregnant, should not be used this point on her, or she should not be using it on her because it induces labor pain. So it's that important point. And then it expels wind from the body. If you have lots of gas formation, it helps in expelling it from your body. In case your stomach is not treating you properly, you have acidity, you have gas, or any kind of discomfort in your stomach, put a green sketch point at this area. It will help you.